Hello, this is Derek from Boss Dragons. Thank you for tuning in. And we're gonna go through Snake Day through my eyes in the Houten Expo. Let's jump into it. just want to shout out to Noah from Aota Reptiles for sending me some photos and videos that I wasn't able to capture with my phone because it had died. Thank you for the favor, I appreciate it. And Dennis, I'm sorry I didn't do your Diablo morph because of my phone. You know that it died right in front of you, so I'm sorry. So next time I'll do an interview on your new genetic, and it's awesome. I am happy for you. It's gonna be epic. And I wanted to also show a lot of different snakes, but even the venomous I wasn't able to do, so forgive me. Maybe next year when I go, I'm gonna be really ready, maybe do some interviews with breeders that you want me to interview, maybe ask them, picks their brain to help you come up with ideas and create something of your own. You need to come up with your own creativity. This is not me bashing. This is just, it wasn't like, wow. I had a few wows, but I didn't have a lot of wows. I mean, it's just, I've seen a lot of similarities with each other through the different breeders, and you know, I can see why it's very competitive because everybody's doing the same thing with one another, and you're like bumping with prices, and I can see why it's going wrong, especially with inflation that's going on. Makes it even more difficult. So this, as my advice, breed different. I did see awesome snakes and awesome people that know what they're doing. It's really convenient that you need to know what you need to do and how to do it with these animals if you're trying to breed. So be very responsible when it comes to breeding these animals and respect them with love and care as they're doing this work for you. So keep that in mind. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. We're gonna probably do a Bearded Dragon video next on the Xeromorph, so stay tuned with that. Don't go nowhere because that is gonna be an epic video for you to learn, to educate yourself about the Xeromorph and what to expect out of it if you're doing that kind of project, and some more future morphs I will do in the future as best I can. I've been very busy, I'm sorry about that. I've not been making a lot of videos and photos. It's just because I'm everywhere and it's hard to keep up with everything, and I'll do my best. Thank you for watching. Please don't go nowhere, and I hope to see you on the next one.